Hey, beautiful people, and of course, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, I don't know why I start my videos like that all the time, like this all the time, but it's getting a little boring, don't you think? Anywho, spring twists, and that's what I'm gonna be like telling you what I am going to be doing in this video. And based on the title, you know it's gonna be passion twist. I will be doing using Freestress braiding hair. I already started, and as you can see, this client, she has her natural hair, her natural hair, texture hair. It's not relaxed, not perm, it's in its naturalist state. And I'll be using the Freestress. I think it's 26 inches, and the color is 1B. And in all, I use 7 packs, normally 8 packs. I normally use 8 packs, but if you want like a really full head, you can use 9 to 10 packs. So I already sectioned her hair like so, and she'll be doing the grid box pattern, the parts. And this is how I'll be doing it. I start with a little braid, 3-strand twist braid. Make sure it is nice and secure from the root, because we don't want our hair be falling out like when we're sleeping, or when we're washing our hair, or when we're just walking, minding our own business on the street. We have our braid falling out of our hair. No. Okay, so that's why we need to secure it nice and neat, and nice and tight, not too tight, but with a little 3-strand braid. And then after that, I turn it into 2 strands. As you can see, this is how it looks. So the 2 strands, I do a little rope twist. As I go along, I do the rope twist like so. Like so. As you can see, well, you're not seeing her hair, because what I did is like secure her hair nicely and neat into the braid. So when I twist, you don't see her natural hair poking out. You can blow dry your hair if you have like natural hair and you want it nice and smooth, but yeah, if you want, you can use your gel, your moisturizers, and whatever you want to keep your hair nice and straight. So as you know, the braids will get a little tangled because it's long, right? So you gotta really and truly take your time. And the braid is a bit pricey in the beauty stores here, so yeah, you don't want to waste any strand of hair. You don't want to waste any strand of hair. So yeah. And I just continue to twist all the way down to the root. Just twist nice and tight. Keep twisting tight. No loose twists. Don't do any loose twists when you're using the curly hair, okay? You do it nice and tight, so when you do let go, it will still have that tightness, tight, curly look to it. And this is how long is it? It's really long. It's like waist length, and I haven't extend the hair, period. So this is just the length of the Freestress hair. See, it's really long. I think it's a 26 inch. The mousse that I'm using is Vigorol olive oil mousse. So that's I love using this mousse. It moisturizes, give it a nice fresh scent, feels, keep it, yes, this is it. It's the mega moisture olive oil, mega moisture from Vigorol. Yes, so who doesn't like a nice handful of mousse, right? It's so refreshing on the hair. It keeps it nice and soft, smooth and shine, moisturized, especially with these synthetic hair. The curls, you will need a mousse, a moisturizing mousse to keep it looking fresh, nice, soft, shiny. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm finished at this point, and I'm just going over and to do my little snips, trim, do the edges. Oh, I did the edges. I didn't show you guys, but I use Shine and Jam as usual on the edges, and you can use whatever you have. So this is my preference. I know I like using Shine and Jam. This is what I use all the time. So yes, my lovely people, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Remember, everything will be in the description down below. Every product that I use, the hair type, everything, it would be in the description down below. Okay, and yes, so there you have it. I'm finished with this look, and her hair is looking all lovely and, you know, beautiful as always, yeah. So yes, this is the length of the hair, and it's pretty super duper long. It is super duper long. I'm just doing some snips at the end. Make sure the end is all nice, and oh, don't mind my hair. Okay, so yeah, I need to do something with my hair. It's getting cold and I need to protect my hair. But anyways, guys, yes, so do the snips, the trims, yeah, make the ends looking all nice and natural. So yeah, you just trim the excess strands of hair that normally be at the bottom of the braid, like what I'm doing. I don't know why I gone off camera to do that, why I went off camera to do that, but you get the idea. You get the idea. Just trimming the long pieces like that have knots and what's not on them. So yes, my people, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.